You are destroying your car every time you park. Throwing your car straight into P without the handbrake puts the entire weight of your vehicle onto a piece of metal the size of your pinky finger. Hear that snap? That's the sound of a $1,000 repair bill. Stop driving on empty. Your fuel pump literally swims in gasoline to stay cool. When you constantly drive below a quarter tank, you are starving it. It overheats, it burns out, and leaves you stranded on the highway. You think driving slow and gentle saves your engine? Wrong. Especially with modern turbo engines, babying your car builds up toxic carbon. Once a week, you need to rev it hard. Let the engine breathe. Blow the carbon out. Idling your car for 10 minutes in the morning is a myth from the 1980s. Modern cars hate idling. The fastest way to warm up thick, cold oil is to gently drive the car. Stop wasting gas and grinding your gears in the driveway. And the silent killer? Battery vampires. That dash cam you left plugged in? It's constantly draining your 12-volt battery while you sleep. Unplug your accessories or prepare for a dead car in the morning. Work smart, not hard.